Welcome back, guys. It's Hank from Green Acre Birds, and today we're gonna do a little something different. We're gonna go ahead and go fishing, and I'm gonna try to get you guys on the camera. So I'm just gonna try to get the fish on the camera and stuff. So we got me, and then we have you know who we have. Come on, Kai, show your face. Hello. Yep, we have Kai. He's not gonna be going fishing because he's it's a little worrisome. And then we have our mattress that I'm going to be using in a day or two. It's got to fluff up. Anyway, we're going to be using that in, I don't know, a day or two. So, fluffing up the mattress and we're bored. So, we're just going to go ahead and go fishing. Right, Kai? Right, bud? Kai? Buddy? Right? Right? Alright. We'll see you at the fishing tackle. You guys, so here are all the poles that we are going to be using when we go to the river. Now, our first one up, we're going to have a little floating lure. I don't know if you guys can see, it's pretty bright out here. But we're going to have a floating lure. And it has 3 hooks right here. And then 3 hooks right here. So that should work pretty well. We're going to go ahead and... this one casts pretty far. But then after that, we have our second pole, which is going to be the 1 ounce weight sinker. So we have the sinker. And then we also have the hook right here, which is a pretty decent size hook. I hope you guys can see. Then we're going to take a bucket, just in case we catch anything big enough to keep. We might not keep them today, but we're going to take a bucket, maybe a cast net, bait, and then we have to go buy some bait first, so then we'll be pretty good. And a tackle box, so that's all we really need, and we might change out some poles, and that's about it. Alright, you guys, so I guess I'll see you at the bait store. Alright, y'all, so we finally made it out here to the Mattaponi River, and we're going to go ahead and start fishing, and I'll try to get some on film. Alright. I caught the biggest fish of the day, which is the first fish of the day, and it's a white perch. We're going to go ahead and take this sucker off the hook, throw him back in the water, because he's definitely not big enough to keep, and too big for bait fish. So, alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and put him in the water. Alright. So, fish number 2 is a bigger white perch. Stop spinning. And it's this bigger white perch, and it's pretty good size. And I'm just going to go ahead and let this one go too, because it's not big enough to keep. I think we're not going to keep perch, so that's about it. So we're going to have to go ahead and pack up, get in the car and leave, because it's kind of hard to see behind me. Well, I can't even... Alright, there we go. It's starting to rain, so me and my dad are going to pack up, and then my brother's over there, and we're going to go ahead and pack up and leave. It was fun. We caught a couple white bass, white perch, and that's about it. So we're going to go ahead and leave, pack up and leave, and I guess I'll see you guys at the house. Wow, wow, wow. It seems there is rain, and I can't do too much filming. So sad. Of course, Frankie needs some loving too. Why don't you come inside for a little bit? I'm just kidding. He just came outside. But then he realized it was raining, so, yeah. Alright, Frankie. Good morning, chickens. Well, good afternoon, chickens. How are you doing? I've been thinking of ordering the stuff that you could put in your nesting boxes. Here, I'll show you in a second. But the stuff that you can put in your nesting boxes so the chickens cannot scrape it out again. We'll see what happens. If you look in the nesting boxes now, you can see that most of the pine shavings are not there. I put a whole bunch in them. And yes, you could just make a bigger board to put on there so they can't scrape it out. But they would still scrape a lot of it out, and we don't want that. So we might order some kind of straw looking things that hold it down and stuff. Alright. Right, chicken? You gonna go lay an egg? Right, chicken? Alright. See how it turns out. Okay, we finally got one row of 6 pepper plants planted right here and 6 right here. So that's 12 pepper plants. I think one of them is red peppers and one is green. Then we have about 6 jalapeno plants in the middle. Middle. Okay. Do you guys see that little green stuff? Right there and right there. Those are little baby carrot seeds. Hard to believe, isn't it? Yes, we finally have carrots sprouting up. I am super excited. Whew. I've been waiting for like 3 weeks to have, or 2 or 3 weeks to have those carrots sprout up, and they finally did. So that is huge because I've never grown carrots on the homestead before. Never. So first year, we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully they grow fully and they don't die halfway through. Alright, so it looks like one of the blueberry bushes is starting to produce little flowers. Well. Anyway, they're starting to produce little flowers. We have 2 right there, a bunch, about 15 or 20 in this area, so. Alright, that's pretty great. We have 2 plants. This one is not producing yet, so we'll see what happens. I wouldn't be surprised if we get blackberries soon, too. Red blackberries. So we have a big bush, as you could see here, but it's all choked out by poison ivy and weeds and stuff. So when we do get our blackberries picked, we're going to have to go in there with jeans because of the stickers. And then also we're going to have to be very careful afterwards to make sure we don't get any poison ivy. I hate that stuff. It's right there. Oh yeah, we got tomatoes planted, boys and girls. We got tomatoes planted. Let's go! tomatoes in the house all summer long. Well, we'll see what happens with the tomatoes. We got one, not just one, but 2 rows of tomatoes planted. We'll see what happens. And it looks like the cucumbers are coming up. And if that's what I think it is, it is pole bean plants. Hopefully to grow up the trellis just like the cucumbers. And tomatoes, I think we're going to have to put stakes down. I don't know. Well, we'll see what happens. And hopefully, all of the garden turns out. And I hope that you guys are getting stuff planted in your garden so you can have fresh food this summer. And I hope everything's going well. I'll see you in a minute. I'm just going to say thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure to subscribe. I love when you drop a like and drop a comment and subscribe. So I love you subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And until next time, I'll see you, I guess, in my next video. So goodbye.